Hello all and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and in today's video we are celebrating 20,000 subscriber surprise winners. Very exciting. I think I'm more excited than actually announcing the winners. It is a very, very special day for us here at Wow Crochet Designs. I firstly want to make a very big special thanks to all of you out there who has subscribed to the channel, liked, shared, and whatever it is that you've done for me on the channel. I thank you very much, because a lot of people have done a lot of things in different areas and you are all well appreciated, which is why I decided today to use, and I've done this many times before, to use a comment picker to choose the winners and not myself. You are all here to hear the winners of the 20,000 subscriber surprise. Very exciting. So what I'm going to do this time round is actually, I'm sorry about the planes coming over, guys. They've been coming over every 5 minutes, so hopefully they're not too loud for you. I don't even know why, but we are going to start off with showing you the prize and then announcing the winner for that prize, and then showing the next prize, and then I'll announce the winner for the next prize, and so on and so on and so on. Now, I've been running around all day. I've been so busy today, so I haven't had a chance to do other things for this particular video. So all I'm going to do, and the reason I've also decided to do this is because it's 20,000, just leave this video specifically for the surprise and don't add anything to it, because you know what, it should stand on its own as a milestone in itself. To be honest with you, I'm not going to try and edit this. I'm going to try and just push it through. I didn't think I'd get past 500 or even 1,000 subscribers, let alone get where we are today. Now, as you know, the channel does not work by one person only. I'm not the only one who runs the channel. Well, I am. I really am. I do all the hard work. But there are other people in the background that help with lighting, camera work, music, as you know. We've got Phantom Studios for the music. We've got Francis pricing all our items for our website, which helps support the channel here. Lighting, which I purchased, the fancy lighting as you do, but not today. We're just using light from outside today, even though we're inside, it's just coming from the outside. But it's not been a one-person job, it's been everyone. I've had family and friends pop in and help me out as well, and I do thank those people in the background that you don't usually see. So there you go. But in the meantime, I'm not going to hold you anymore. I've thanked the subscribers. I've thanked the people who've helped me out on the channel. I do want to make a very special thank you also to anyone who's had anything to do with teaching me or helping me along the way. I thank you very much as well. Let's head over to the workstation, or should I say the computer, and start announcing the winners. So this is first prize, guys. Check it out. I'm going to go through it all one by one. There's so many items here. Now, if you're wondering what this particular bag is right here, it is, I'm trying to get it ready for you. It's this thing right here. Ta-da! It is a little arm bag that you put on your arm, and you can pop your crochet in there, and I think there's a little hole somewhere. Trying to find it. Sorry about the lighting there. There it is. The little hole where you can put your yarn through, and you can crochet while you're at the shop. So that's this bag. We get one of those. You get a measuring tape. Now, this measuring tape was gifted to me by the lovely Jodie M. So this, she's gifted me quite a few packs. So I've decided to, I should say quite a few of these. So I've decided to give them in my giveaways. You get a zip, which I purchased. You get this gorgeous crochet hook. We were just talking about that on the live the other day. Wasn't supposed to be part of, oh, there's a price. Wasn't supposed to be a part of it. It's 20mm crochet hook. It is massive. And you get a crochet magazine, not sure what year, number, date, don't know. It was in my stash. Do you like that? I don't know. 2 skeins of Abbey Road. They should be the same dye lot. I'm not sure, I haven't checked. 2 skeins of Claquetan. It's a little speckled kind of look, but it's very soft still. And 10 ply of my favourite Bendigo. This is a gorgeous grey. It's called, what is it called? Moonflower. I was going to say Wonderflower. I don't know where I got the W from. Moonflower. So there you go. And guess what? This is very unlike me giving away 8-ply luxury in my favourite Bendigo Woolen Mills yarn. I never give it away. But this particular yarn was part of our what was it? The temperature blanket last year. It was the border row. Well, actually, there's the temperature blanket for you. Just a quick view. That's the colour we used for the blanket, and there we go. And now we have 10-ply slate, which is a fantastically gorgeous colour. And I've used that many times on the channel. And we've got our Spot Saver USA style yarn. There's 2 skeins there. That's from our Spotlight stores here in Melbourne, Australia, one of our larger chains. And the Dirty DK Weight, you've seen me flash that yarn around quite a bit from Maker, the lovely Katie from Maker. I purchased some yarn from her, and this is one of the skeins. And you would have seen items that I've created with that recently. And guess what, guys? Yes, first prize gets a full pack, a full kit of this. Oh, I don't know where that, look, I'll put it up on the screen there. There we go. That's the scarf that this pack makes. And in this pack you have, oh, there's the pack. You have the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, the pattern. You have it all in that pack. Very excited. And this one here is the grey, the very dark grey. So there you go. And this guy here is my coaster pack. And you get between 8 and 10 coasters, maybe 6 and 8, depending on how tight you crochet. And it's got the pattern, the sewing needle, the scissors, the yarn, the whole kit. Now this is a little kit that I sell as a separate set. You would see this also, you would see these on my website, by the way. And this one here, it's got the scissors, the sewing needle, and the crochet hook as a kit. And that's it. No, it's not it, guys. With all of this, everyone here today gets a pack of our beautiful Tim Tam biscuits. Oh, they're simply divine, divine, divine. Check that out. This is for prize number 1. Alrighty all, it is officially, where is it? There's the date and the time, officially 10:03 on the 5th of May 2023. And here we are going to grab our shareable link from our video for our 20,000 subscriber. Go up to the random comment picker. Okay, now if I can keep the mouse still and the camera still, hello. All right, here we go. Anything goes. We're not allowing duplicate comments. Sorry, guys, if you've popped duplicate comments on there, you will not be picked. But are we ready to pick a winner for first prize? And the winner is Anne McSee. And Anne says, congratulations on 20K. My go-to yarn is also Bendigo Woolen Mills, and mainly their cotton. Fantastic, and you have won first prize of our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Yay, everybody cheer. Okay, let's refresh the page and get on with second prize. Alrighty guys, here is prize number 2. You also get a pack of that scarf, and there's the picture on that pack. The other pack must have moved a little bit, but there's the picture. That's the scarf you can make. You get to double wrap it like you saw in the photo before, and you get your color, and your color is the maroon looking color. And you also get the V-stitch, I'm trying to look at it, the V-stitch cowl in a brown, or kind of like a light browny colour, if you will, with the hook, the scissors, the pattern, the sewing needle, the whole kit. You get a bag as well. It's exactly the same bag, just a different picture. So you get a bag as well, and you get a pack as well. The same pack, different type, with different hooks and different scissors and sewing needles and whatever. You also get a measuring tape, same thing, different colour. You get 2 skeins of Clequeton yarn, 2 different colours obviously. You also get, oh no, I'm giving away my pumpkin spice. That's not good. It's 10-ply or Aran weight. And you also get yourself a magazine as well. And to top it off, you get one of these. So there you go, that is prize number 2. Alrighty guys, we are back. Sorry about my finger in front of the camera. Every now and then it goes in front of the lens. I'm sorry. But here we go. The link is in. We're ready to go. No, we're not. We've got one more button to press. And there's our comments. All right. Are we ready for prize number 2? And the winner is Melody. Oh, and Melody says, congratulations on 20,000 subscribers, Mary. My most used yarn is also Bendigo Woolen Mills, but I love trying new yarns all the time. Melody, you are our second prize winner today. Congratulations. And here we go again. This is for prize number 3. You get the same scarf. You can't see it there, but it's the same one. And you get yours in a different colour as well. And you get your V-stitch cowl. It's a small cowl. There's the picture right there. And you get yours in a different colour. Yours is in the blue. And oh my gosh, I'm giving away 8-ply cotton. What am I thinking of? One of my favourite size cottons to use. So that's the Bendigo Woolen Mills cotton, and you get some Clequeton yarn as well. You also get a bag, once again in a different colour, and you get your kit, you get your measuring tape. You also get one of the, oh, here we go. You also get one of these as well. How exciting is this? Alrighty guys, we are back again for prize number 3. Oh yeah, this is it guys. This is the final prize of the day. Get excited and just get excited. That's it. Alright, we've got our 43 comments and the winner is Middle Earthians. And Middle says, congrats on 20,000 subscribers. My go-to yarn to work with is Red Heart because it's the main brand I can find in my area. Congratulations, Middle. You are our third prize winner today. Yay! Congratulations to our winners today. By the way, winners, do not click on any links or go to any special sites or whatever you do. To contact me, all you need to do is send your details, private messaging me, of course. I'm not going to edit this, guys. I don't have the time today. Private message me. So unprofessional. Private message me on Facebook at Wow Crochet Designs, or on Instagram at Wow Crochet Designs. Or you can also send a submission form via our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com. Now, don't forget, that's the only way you contact me. Don't do it any other way. If you see a link down below that says click on this link, don't do it. I will never ask you to click on a link, yeah? In the meantime, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to all the wonderful things that you guys, well, have already done for me. Also, don't forget to join me at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons, 10 a.m. Saturday mornings, Melbourne, Australia time. We have our lives. We have a lot of fun. Sometimes we have too much fun. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. Congratulations to our winners once again, and ciao for now. Try to be good, yeah? Bye.